So Tricia and I made these cookies. These have a little bit of everything in them. You wanna?
First, we started with a chocolate thing. I don't know what it's called. A chocolate thing.
A Toblerone. It has I thought you were thinking of the word calzone.
Calzone. No, they were supposed to be calzone cookies.
But they were too sticky.
So instead, first we put the Toblerone.
Toblerone.
We put one of every ingredient that we had. Then we put a gusher.
1 coconut flake.
One.
Which
Which might ruin the whole cookie.
probably. 1 cranberry.
1 chocolate chip. And a marshmallow.
And 1 drop of caramel syrup.
That's right.
And now they've cooled and we're ready to take our bite.
I think they've cooled.
We think they're cool
I
on the
burnt my
outside.
finger on
They
gusher.
feel pretty warm.
Mine feels pretty hot.
Well, we're fucked anyway, so.
So this is like, we're ready for an explosion in our mouths.
I'm really nervous.
I really want this to explode in my mouth.
You're fucking gross. Okay. Here goes nothing.
What
I
part?
guess.
Wait, which side?
Well, I see my
I'm going
gusher
for the
here.
gusher?
Yeah, me too.
I feel like that's gonna be really
That's where it's
hot.
gonna explode in your mouth. So, wish us luck, I guess.
Explosion in the mouth. Part 1. Ugh. Not bad.
It's pretty chewy. Oh! It dumped all over my finger. Anyways, I give it a thumbs up. Don't let it drip on my computer. Thumbs up, I think.
Yeah, that was great. Gusher cookies.
Dump this on my fingers.